Hey, what's up? This is Damien, and we are in Unity, about to put everything together that we've done so far. I couldn't show the artwork because there was a problem with the camera, or with the recording software being compatible with the third-party software that I was using to get to the program that I needed to do the artwork. That sounds confusing. Don't worry about it. So, I've already uploaded the sound bites that I've done, and I've also uploaded the sprites. Hopefully, that's all the sprites that I need. I wasn't really sure, so I just put up a whole bunch to see, just to make sure. So, okay. Now, I started with this scene here, and this was to make sure that when I hit play, everything is in where it belongs. So we go out of that. Alright, so we're not going to do anything to this yet. I want to put everything in first, and then we'll work on the scripts. So, file, new scene. Now we go to, where is it? Sprites, where are you? Okay, so this one is the title screen. So just add the background. Center this as much as I can. Alright, it's always good to go over to the over to your transform in your inspector if you want to have it centered. Just go ahead and zero everything out over there. So let's go ahead and hit play. Alright, everything looking good so far. Let's see. Now, if you didn't know, if you go over to game and you hit this button up here, it'll start as free aspect. But since I'm doing this for Android first, so I'm putting it at a hard fixed what do you call that, resolution, so that I can get most of the Android devices should work under this resolution. So let me add this here. Okay, zero everything out. Now I'm not sure if I need to shrink this down or not. So can't have a title screen without a title. So there we are. Okay, let's make this 6? No. 3. How about 3? Nope, let's just raise it up to about there. So 3.91. Let's go ahead and make it 4. Making it even 4 just to keep numbers looking good. So yeah, so if you haven't noticed, the name of the app is, let's make that a 0. Okay, that's too close. The name of the app is Swami Bami Tsunami. Okay, so this is where I think I need... I need to pull these upwards. So just go ahead and pull it up. See, 5 might be a good number for this. And we click on that. Bring that up a little bit. Because I do want to leave room. I want to leave room down here for buttons. So, alright. Now, see, that itself looks way too big. So, just get in a little closer. Get a little closer. Don't be shy. No. Yes, don't judge me. That was from a deodorant commercial back in the day. Okay. So, now, do I have everything I wanted? Alright, we want a start button. And we want an exit button. Oh, excuse me. Okay. Now, I wonder... Okay, so this is what the title screen looks like. Let's go ahead and save this scene. Save scene as title. Okay, save it. This way we can move on to the next screen. Okay, hold on. There we go. New scene. And then we just draw in. Man, that is a good looking Swami. Let's see, press play. Nothing showing on the sides, that's good. Alright, so this screen also needs a couple of buttons. So we'll have the Ask Again button and an exit button. I wish, let me see here. I wish there was a ruler. On here. Okay. Let me do it this way. I want this. This 0 is middle. Okay. And the edge would be 2.5. So let's try -1. Nope, that's not enough. -1.5. Also not enough. How about 7.5? Here we go. And then this is from the top. So we'll make it an even. Let's try making it even 5. How does that look? See, now, when I say I'm making numbers looking good so that you can work with them, it's because now I can put this at -5, and that's just at the same height, and I can put this, if I can grab it all, at a positive 1.75. So the buttons are the same size, so when I push them 1.75 away from the center, they should be in the same place on here. Okay. Now, let's save this one, because I want to go back. So save this as the ask scene. You'll get what I mean by that in a minute. Okay, so now I want to go back to my title scene, because here I needed to do the same thing. So -1.75, and make that even 5. Okay, same thing over here. .75. Alright, so now they're in the same place as they are on the other screen. So just go ahead and save scene. Are you serious? Where's my button? Where is my button? So, okay, we're going to. There it is. Okay. Why are you back there? Let's see, let's bring it up. Let's say 2 on the z-axis. And hopefully that will be. No! Oh my god! Oh my god! Exit button. How about -2? Yeah, that'll work. And then ask again button. Put a negative in front of that too. Alright, now file, save scene. So I'm going to go back to the title screen, and I'm going to just make sure that these don't do what the other one just did. Okay, this here has to be a -2 up there. I guess we'll just make. Let's see if can I do this. Head Swami Bami Tsunami. And make this all -1. So, yep, that did work. Let's just make sure gives me a definite order of things. Of course, the background will stay on 0. So 0, -1, -2. All right. Now, believe it or not, it's time to do a little scripting. So let's go. And we'll go to scripts, create, C# script, and mono develop should pop up any day now. Or maybe not, because I have to name this thing first. Okay, since we are on the title screen, let's start with the start button. Okay. Now, double click on that. Now my model develop should show up. Yeah! I hope this is recording. Oh man, don't put it over there. Alright, so now we have mono develop. I don't know why it opened it. Oh, no. Who knows? And this is already giving me an error. Why is that? I don't know. Alright, let's do this. Okay, so this should be a really simple script that if input dot get key down, oops, then it would be quotation marks fire 1, I believe, quotation marks parentheses. And so if that happens, then we will get application dot load level slash parentheses, or not slash, parentheses, quotation marks, ask, and quotations, in that noise, and that. I hate you. Okay. So, if I hit the start button, because I'm going to put this script on the start button. If I hit the start button with fire 1, or which is either mouse button 1 or touchscreen, as far as I know, then it should move or change the scene to the next one. Okay, so let's Control S and save it. Let's see, don't need this because I have no idea what that is. And I don't need this either. Okay. I think that's from the last time I was doing research. So let's minimize this. Okay, start. Pull the start button over here. Start button script. Okay. Now, my scenes, I have the ask in here, which is the next scene. So when I hit play, if I hit start, what's going wrong? Something is slightly wrong here. Do I need... Do I need a collider? Let's add... box collider? Make it a trigger? Okay. Play. I gotta figure out why that's doing that, because that should not be doing that. Alright. So I was hoping to have somebody here to help me with this, but let's go into... Wow, my fridge is really loud. Let's go project settings input. Right? Mouse button, left control, fire 1. Did I maybe spell it wrong in the script? Yes, I did. Okay, let's go back to the script. Capitalize that, because that stuff makes a big difference. Okay. All right. Minimize the minimum minimize. Let's try this again. No, it's not going to the next one. Not sure what to do there. Have to do that to all of them? To this one already. That might have fixed that. Let me make sure everything just... There we go. Thought I had... Not really sure what this does, but it worked when I put it onto this, onto my logo page. So it might work for this. Who knows? Alright, now I'm going to pause here, check something out, and I'll be right back. Alright, okay, I'm back. I found out what the problem was, and it was a combination of two things. One, let's go to the mono develop. One thing is, I should have put that in the update, section instead of the start area here. And I had get key down. Well, there is no key called Fire 1, so get button down was a lot better. I'm hoping this works with touchscreen. Because this, what I've been told is Fire 1 is touchscreen. So go away. Alright. So let's go back. And the other thing was I didn't have... Let's see here. I didn't have any of the scenes in the build settings. So that was a problem. So now... because now what it did was it didn't know where to go. It's like, hey dude, hey dude, where do we go after this? And I'm like, I don't know, dude. You're supposed to go to this place. But that place doesn't exist, dude. I'm like, alright, then let me do something else. Okay, so now when I hit start, it goes to the next page, which is all I wanted. I'm happy. Okay, now, we go back to, no we don't, we go to the scripts. And we create another C# script. And we put exit button. Okay. Now, all exit button's supposed to do. Mono develop. Yo. Alright. Back in the update function here. Tab it up. All the exit button is supposed to do is cancel the game. Just in case somebody, you know how you're messing around with your phone and you hit an app, and it's not exactly the app that you want to go to. So give you an exit button so you can go out of it quickly without having to fit around and look for that, home button. Because you don't want to hit the home button, because the home button will take you. Let's see. So, input dot get button down. Button down. It's like Boogie Down. Button Down Productions. And then capitalize that fire one. Close parentheses. Then bracket. Application. 2 P's, thank you. Dude, learn how to spell. That's what I wrote. Get with the program. Application. Okay, something's wrong here. Application. Okay. Application dot quit. That's all I want on that. Okay. Now, there's 2 exit buttons, so I got to make sure that this script gets put onto both. So, Control S to save. Back to Unity. Hit this exit button. Add components. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Physics? Physics 2D. Box collider. Yeah, dude. I might have to change the other one because I think I put the wrong box collider on that one by accident. So now I take exit button and move it over here. And yeah, that should work. Okay. Now we play, hit exit. What the world? Exit button. Exit button. So why is it not doing that? Alright, I'll come back to that. Let's see. I'm going to come back to this as well because I was thinking about making this into a button to take you somewhere else. Alright. Let's save this scene and go to ask. Alright, now this ask again button is supposed to reload this page. Okay. This page is going to have a different script on it though. So we go to scripts, create C# script. Let's call this ask page. Okay, now there's going to be a couple of things happening on this page. Okay, I don't know where I'm supposed to put that. Alright, let's see. Okay. Tab. Now. Oh no! See, this is something different. Okay. No, this is something different. I need to go back here. I need one for my ask button. Ask again button. Add component, physics CD, 2D, and that. And then I need C# script. Ask again. Okay. Let's ask again. Come on now. Okay. Alright. Now, I'm gonna go to Start button. And grab this. Okay. Tab and put that right here. Now, let's see here. Got everything written down. I really do. Okay. Alright, so this is going to make the button just restart the level. Okay, so Control S and go back here. And we'll go to the Ask Again button that has a 2D collider, and we'll put the Ask Again on there. Now, I'm pretty sure somebody's going to say, well, you don't have to do that way because you can do it a totally other way. And I'm pretty sure of that, but I have to also do this to how it makes me feel comfortable. Okay. Now, this is just to test this. So ask again. See, exit doesn't work. I gotta figure out why exit's not working. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna save that. Save scene. Okay. Now, I have this, I have that. Why did you move, dude? Nobody gave you permission to move. Alright. Okay, now let me go to the other scene. Yeah. It's the wrong collider. Okay. one has the correct one on it. This one doesn't. This one moved. Why did you move? Okay, I'm going to pause again because I need to figure out some things on how to... the order of the things that I got to put on this next page. Alright, be right back. Okay, I'm going to stop this recording here because this has been a couple of hours already, and this simple code has turned into something a little bit more complicated than I can handle right now. So I'm going to ask a few people again what I'm doing wrong, and then I'll come back and record another video. But as far as I know, I have no errors. I just have to figure out why nothing is getting added into this audio source to play the sounds. So, alright, I'll check you guys later. Thanks for sticking around.